Hey everyone, this is Jen. The Salsa Verde Guacamole is packed with fresh, vibrant green ingredients. Start by slicing 2 avocados. Make sure they're ripe so they mash well and taste the best. Then you're going to scoop the insides out into a bowl. Mash them to your desired preference. If you want a chunkier guacamole, you don't have to smash it as much as I did. Add lime juice, salsa verde, and salt, and mix that until it's well combined. Add a yellow onion, jalapeno, garlic, and cilantro. And again, mix that until it's well combined. Serve that with your favorite tortilla chips and enjoy! You can get this full printable recipe on saucefanatic.com.